How to apply for international master's programs. Hello there! Here is a short guide to applying for an international master's program at Linköping University in Sweden. The application period is from mid-October to mid-January. First, you should find the program that you want to apply for. Go to Linköping University's website to see all programs. On the program's webpage, click on Apply and you'll be redirected to Sweden's National University Admissions website. The next step is to create a personal account. All information regarding your application will be sent to your account inbox, so make sure to check it often. You can select up to 4 different programs, and you rank the programs in order of priority. You can only apply for an LiU scholarship for your first choice, so the order in which you rank the program is very important. You need to provide documentation that proves your eligibility for acceptance into your program of choice. This includes certificates and diplomas from your previous or ongoing studies, and some programs require additional documents, such as a syllabus or letter of intent. Read all information provided carefully so you don't miss anything. Upload all your documents by the stated deadline. If English is not your first language, you will also need to provide proof of your English proficiency. If you live in a country outside the EU and EEA or Switzerland, you need to pay an application fee. If you are a citizen of a country within the EU or EEA, provide a copy of your passport to prove your status as a non-fee paying student. The application fee or exemption and proof of your English proficiency also need to be provided by the stated deadline. Have you done all this? Great! Then your application should be complete. You can expect a reply to your application at the beginning of April. We hope to meet you soon at Linköping University.